Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get the radioactive charms in Fish It. So if you want to attract the rarest and or the radioactive mutations in Fish It, you need to have this radioactive charms to increase your odds in catching one. So here's exactly how you can track down this hazardous treasure. So first you just need to go to the planetary observatory and go to the underwater city by using the submarine. Okay, once you arrive in here, you can just go straight to find the new location, the sewer, in uh, inside the underwater city. So I'm going to just use the shortcut. You can just go down here and enter through the window, and this is, you'll see the entrance in here. Okay, this is the sewer, so you can find the radioactive charms here. Okay, so this is the radioactive charms. You can buy it for 2000k, 20k coins. So you can just purchase it. You can buy, of course, more than once, like this. And this is the radioactive charms. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the things.